Original. Original.
She said no, 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 no. She said yeah, yeah.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ella here as always. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back as well. So today's video, we'll be taking down my 2 weeks old cornrows. So you guys, like right now my hair is all messed up. Like this is the first time I'm ever trying something like this. Oh my god, can you see how my hair is playing? Like right now it's all messed up, you guys. So without talking much, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and take down these cornrows and see what my hair looks like. So right now, you guys, I'm kind of feeling pity for the front of my hair, you guys. Like this is not just all cornrows. I do have a video where I use those braids to install false locks. Like I'm going to link the video on the screen for you guys in case you guys want to check it out later. I use this to crochet a goddess, is it a goddess lock, like a false lock, something like that. I'll be leaving the link on the screens in case you want to go check that video out as well. So I'm not kind of scared for the back of my hair if I'm going to lose a lot of hair at the back, but at the front, because the braids at the front are quite small and they are illusions braids, you guys. So this is the first time I'm ever leaving my hair to, you know, spend such a long time and before taking it down. Like can you see those dirts all over my hair? My hair is all messed up right now, you guys. So just watch through this process while I take down these cornrows, and yeah. Oh, God save my edges today, you guys. I'm so scared. So after taking down the cornrows, this is how my hair is looking like. Like the hair is so dirty right now, you guys. Can you see those white stuff on my hair? Those are dirt. Like it is so super dirty right now, you guys. So right now I'm just going to go into the bathroom and wash my hair. Like this hair needs to be washed like thoroughly. It needs to be washed. So yeah, let's go into the bathroom, you guys. Who else is happy going to the shower? I am. So now I'm just going to wet my hair with water and just normal hair wash now. So you guys, can you see those dirt that is coming out of my hair? All those white, it looks like tea. Oh my goodness. So I'm just gonna wash my hair like so, and then I'll be using the Gliss shampoo together with the hair conditioner to wash my hair. So right now I'm taking the Gliss shampoo and I'm just going to use this to wash my hair for like 2-3 times before applying the hair conditioner. All right, so yeah, let's do this. So yeah, you guys, my natural hair is now 1 year old, and one thing I noticed about natural hair is that anytime water touched your hair, like anytime you just wash your hair or sprinkle some water all over your natural hair, it does bounce back, and it just bounce back, you guys. And it just make you feel like your natural hair is not growing at all, you guys. So this is the third time I'm actually washing this hair with a shampoo, and now the hair is clean. And yeah. So now I'm taking the glaze hair conditioner and I'm going to apply this all over my hair, and then just comb the hair through and put on my shower cap.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to.
So yeah, this is the amount of hair I've lost currently, but to me it's not much. I do lose some of my edges, but it's not much. But this I feel like leaving your hair longer does make your hair grow even more. So now we are going to take my time and rinse out this hair conditioner, and then dry up the water with a towel, and we are done. So now I'm taking this my black Jamaica castor oil. I'm just going to apply this all over my hair. So did you notice something? Like, did you notice anything? Look at the way all my hair has bounced back, and oh my god. So now I just go ahead and put my hair in a twist out. So this is what I do whenever I do not want to, have anything to do with my hair. I'm not doing my hair. It's kind of my daily protective style. And yeah, so just because I'm going out with friends, I wanted to kind of go for a simple hairstyle look. So I ended up with this wig, you guys. This wig was sent to me by EllaLoves on AliExpress. They sent me their straight 10-inch straight wing with bangs. So yeah, you guys, this package also contained a short lashes and two stocking caps, you guys. I think they made a mistake putting into stocking cap in one package. I don't know. So yeah, you guys, so we're going to go ahead and style this hair. When you bring out the hair from the package, it might not look exactly what you want or what you expect, but with a little touch, I know that we can make this work. It does have 4 combs inside and an adjustable stripe. So this is how the bangs currently looks like, and this is how the wings looks like. This is in 10 inches. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut some out of the bangs and style it to my taste. And yeah, so you guys just watch me as I do this. All right.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think
So I went ahead and styled the bangs using my hair straightener. Is it hair straightener? Yes. I went ahead and styled my bangs using the hair straightener, and I also went ahead and straightened the whole of the wing, you guys. Now I'm just going to cut out some hair. Like, I do not love this wing in this current state, but I'm just going to go ahead and cut the hair to my taste and use a flat iron to kind of give it that kind of a bob look. And yeah, I pray this work out. Yeah, I just pray this work out. And this is actually my first time trying to cut a bob wing. And yeah, if you're doing this and you're doing this on your hair and you feel like you're currently going to kind of make a mistake, all you just have to do is just kind of put the hair on the mannequin head and try to cut to your taste before putting the wig on. So yeah, I'm proud of the result I'm currently getting, but yeah, let's try and style it more. All right. So yeah, if you've watched this video to this very point, I want you to go ahead and do me a favor by subscribing to my channel and giving this video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below, like, I want to hear your contribution. Just comment down below on what you think about this hair and all of this. Have you ever leave your hair, your cornrows for about 2 to 3 months? Let me know on the comment section, and the details of this thing, you guys, I'll try as much as I can to put it down below on the description for you guys. And yeah, so I've just gone ahead to kind of use the hair straightener to bob my wing and just style it to my taste. And also I just went off camera and applied my makeup, and yeah, that is all for today's video. If you enjoy watching this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up like I mentioned earlier, and just do all those good stuffs to this video. So this bridal hair wear accessories that I have on, I think I got it on AliExpress as well, but I will try and link and drop the link on the description for you guys if you maybe you might be interested. So yeah, that is all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, do all those good stuff to this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Always stay beautiful, and bye for now. I love you guys. Bye.
Girl, make you follow me and be my only, so make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, have His mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and be the host. I'm feeling all this,